Hello everyone, and welcome back to part 12 of building the Yamato. Just marked out where the keel section. Okay, so this latest issue working on the bow block. Obviously, I'm going to follow the instructions, which obviously I was going to try and do this time. I was going to do like a video for every stage. You'd obviously work on the bow block. Obviously, you do half the bow block in issue 11, and the other half of the bow block in issue 12. But obviously, don't agree with that. I think the bow block needs to be making in one episode, so that's what I decided to do. I've just rolled 2 episodes into one. Anyway, let's make a start. I'm just going to start off by firstly just dry fitting all the parts. All the sections of the bow don't come numbered, so in this case obviously just working from the largest down to the smallest. Just to make it a little bit easier when I glued all the parts together, I decided to just give them all a little number, just so I didn't put them in the wrong order. After finishing just gluing all the bow sections together, just holding them tight in the vise. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the parts that came with issue 12. And like I said, that's why I decided to make it two issues into one video, because it would have been a very short video, like 4 minutes long. So as before, I'm just laying out all the parts. Because I'm now working on the top section of the bow, I decided to just lay all the parts out from biggest to smallest. And now I'm just going to carry on with the glue up. Just adding this final top section. I'm going to glue it and then I'm going to lay it onto the bench. I'm just going to eyeball it, just to make sure it's got an equal distance on both sides. Okay, so because the bow block's going to marry up to the first bulkhead, you need to make sure that surface is flat. So I'm just going over with 400 grade sandpaper. Just keep working it until it's fully flat. So I'm just bringing the bow block and the hull together, and now I just want to try and centre the bow block. I'm just going to draw a penciled line down each side. Just give me a first indication if I've got the centre right. Okay, so after drawing this pencil line on the starboard section, I realised I were quite a bit out of centre. So I'm just going to move it along and just mark another pencil line. And just so I'm happy and I've hit dead centre. So now draw the second pencil line of starboard section, and that's a lot better, that's a lot more dead centre. So I'm just going to draw a couple of pencil marks, just some little arrows to know which pencil line I'm working from, to make sure I centre it right. I'm just going to use a plank of wood, a little offcut. I'm just going to use this so obviously I can clamp the bow block nice and tight to the first bulkhead. That's held up nice and tight. And that's the stages complete for issue 11 and issue 12. Okay, so that's it for this video. The bow block's gluing nice, so I've just left that for a minute. If you're following the instructions, they ask you to obviously start tapering this bow now. But I don't agree with that. I think that obviously when we start planking up and start obviously adding all the extra planks, then I think that's the time to start tapering the bow. Is obviously as we start to taper all the planking, let's get some sandpaper. So as we're tapering the planks, we can taper the bow at the same time, following the natural curve of the planks onto the bow. If you taper this now, you might take off too much. So yeah, so like I say, I think that's the better way. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Just want to say a big thank you to everybody who subscribed to me recently. I've Channel's doing really well lately. Obviously this last week I've had nearly 100 subscribers, so anybody who subscribes to my channel, just want to say thank you, and I'll see you all next time.